I'm good, right? Got all my microphone on.
Color blue.
All right, I'm sure you guys are drooling behind me. These are our model homes. This is our sales lot here at 850 Industrial Road, Newport, Tennessee. And this is we look at our model homes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them here, and then we're stacked 2 deep. Let's take a quick tour, show you our new model line for 2023. We've been waiting for these to come out. I've done little videos on these previously, but I just wanted to walk and show you guys what's going on. This is all a color, what do you call it? A color chart that we went through is a color configuration that you choose. This is a complete color package that you get. We have 13 different color packages. It includes the metal roof, the siding, and the flooring on the inside when you order a model home. This right here is an LP siding. It's warranted for a 50-year warranty on the material, 30 years on the paint. Gorgeous, everyone. You got to go and check out our prices, compare them to everybody else. If you guys will get on our website and see. This one, just missing our corbels. This has been up there staged. We had our corbels coming on. We'd attach them to give it some more look. Tell you what, I'm going to walk down this way, Tom. So come with me here. This is the one I featured the other day. Look at this. I believe this is a Lexington here, Tom. And this is our overhang. The things I want to point out is just the exterior. Not going to go inside. Is the beautiful 30-inch overhang with the corbels in the siding, the color, how it goes from board and batten to horizontal. These things have got it. They've got your air exchanger. You guys can see right up in the peak there. There's an air exchanger. Lights on both back and front. Mini splits. Beautiful trailers. The biggest thing I like pointing out, this is considered a tiny home. This is under 400 square feet, and there are no fenders, okay? That's a big deal. If you guys want this to look like a home, I like building homes that look like homes, that don't look like boxes, all right? That's why I got all this overhang. That's why we got corbels. We got faux rafters sticking out here. That's why we've got dormers and what we build them. This is really relatable to back in the 20s and 30s. You guys seen some homes that were built in some big major cities. I was out in California in Fresno, and they had tons of these type of homes that looked just like this, you know. So, yeah, come on, Tom. We'll walk back here. Now, this one doesn't have dormers. We've been offering some of these with no dormers. Like this is a Charleston with no dormers. So if you want to do a Charleston with no dormers, great, because if you're not going to use any of the upstairs, but it doesn't have, I don't know if you can, okay, you can see that dormer there.
Yep, dormer.
Look how beautiful that is, right?
Yeah.
So you got a dormer there, but this one's not got a dormer. Of course, you're not going to have that real pretty architectural feature with the dormer being gone.
Yeah,
but
still have the overhangs and all that.
But you still get, yeah, you get the ends with the overhangs, and you get the corbels, you get all the amenities. And if you're going to live on one floor, why not, right? You don't have to have a dormer up there, but you don't have a staircase under there, so that makes your bathroom bigger. This one back here, you got another color change, and it has the board and batten on the dormers and the gable, the horizontal siding of course on the walls. Look, we just keep going deep. I swear they're everywhere. Look at this.
This is our sales lot.
Look here. I mean, we got another one. This is 3 deep back here.
Yeah, this is
4 deep. Oh my gosh.
8x20 Austin.
Tell me. Yep. Now this is an 8x20. It's just like the RJO floor plan.
Yeah.
But what we did is we threw it in and, I mean, just completely finished the inside and outside. Beautiful. Here is our Abingdon. We showed this a little bit earlier in the, I think last week we showed the Abingdon. This is our cottage style. It's got shingles on the roof. Somebody said, why'd you go shingles? I said, why not?
Why not?
It's not going down the road like an RV.
I got them on my house.
Exactly, residential. This is a home. I don't know if you can get down in here, Tom, but this has got live edge flower boxes, live edge siding combined with stucco. This is so we're waiting for it to warm up. We'll do our stucco here. And then it's got this faux overhang that's kind of got a curve to the bottom.
Yeah, a little A-frame.
Love this, man. This is all living on one floor. There's no dormers on here. So you'll have this is your living room, bedroom is all in one. And that's how we live in tiny homes.
And we have one on the beach currently.
We do.
Yeah.
Yep, she built a big deck on it.
You've done a tour, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What? You know, not a final tour after she moved in. Look at this. If you can get right here and look at that dormer, the faux rafters, the gable, how it's board and batten. I really want to encourage you guys to do this. take a snapshot of this. And look, this is an 8 by 20. Let's see.
Yeah, this is an Austin.
Yep. So this is an Austin. The door's on the back. We'll come back here and show this, Tom. Try to get an 8 by 20 looking like this. Go on any competitor and see if you can find a home that would compare to the price and the look of this house. Look at that. You know, I'm not trying to sell you guys on my enthusiasm. I'm not saying, hey, look at that. I'm thoroughly, literally excited about how this looks. I love the way they look. I mean, when I went out to California, and I love them big, huge houses. See, I love big houses. I like looking at them. I think the architecture are gorgeous. So what I get excited about is like, how can I take that great big old house and squish it down and to make it look like a little bitty tiny one? And that's what I'm excited about. It does. You got a dormer, you got overhangs, the corbels, the sidings, all this different textures going on. That little bell light that's hanging up there, right? You got plugs, you got air exchangers, mini splits. There's nothing you don't have to do in this house. All you have to do is go in, take your furniture, and lay down.
Yeah. What's that freeze board up top? That's 8 inch.
Yeah.
8-inch freeze board on a tiny home.
Yeah, a freeze board. Freeze boards is that white triangle, right, that separates the soffit from the gable. You don't see that. That goes on to really high-end homes. Like even in subdivisions, those are high-end amenities because it costs money. This LP siding, you wouldn't believe the cost on this stuff. But we've factored all that in because we're trying to sell, this is a model line. Now this is a model line, it's our most expensive model or our most expensive line of homes. We'll be coming out with the Woody line. The Woody line is all wood. Let's walk down here and show you just the wood here.
It's expensive siding, but it's painted.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure it's a 50-year warranty on the paint.
50-50.
I'm pretty sure. I'll double check.
I'm not going to be around, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Look.
Sure if I bought the house, I wouldn't make that.
Yeah. Yep. Of course, this is our ESP stucco, but look at the Woody line. This is a home. This is a wood line house. Now, the reason I'm just showing is this wood siding. We are going to have a wood-sided house coming out in 2023, and it's going to be an assembly line model home. I mean, scooting on down the line, and we're going to try to assembly line like we do the Incredibox. But when you look at the wood, and then boom, look at your painted, isn't this cool? It's great that we can offer both, everybody, from a complete all-wood home to a complete all-manufactured. This beautiful siding, it's got the wood grain. You don't have to touch it. The wood, you'll have to continue to stain it and treat it. Some people love doing that. I love doing it. It wouldn't take a couple of days just to put some stain or freshen that up. But we want to make sure that we hit home for everybody. If you want the wood, we got it. If you want the Incredibox, we got it. If you want the high-end model line, we've got it. We're also going to start adding some amenities to this. Tiled showers, glass doors, what do you call it? Solid surface tops. Right. Some other amenities that if you guys want on these homes, bay windows. These would look great with that big bay window we come out. We love our new bay window. It is featured on the Birmingham. That's our next model we don't have online here is our Birmingham. It's 10 by 36. Gorgeous, gorgeous home. That's the biggest one I've been debuting. That is our most expensive home, but it has all the Mac Daddy stuff. It's almost like our little giveaway house, but 36 foot long. All right, you guys have it. Thank you. This is our model line. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment if you will, and pass this video along. Pass our YouTube channel along. This is how we market our company. Tom, do a 360. We're right here on the edge of the beach, and look at this. We got a community here. We got the Grove going in over there, and that's what those pipes are up over there. 72 lots in the Grove.
In the background, yeah.
Somebody asked, hey, how's the Grove going? Can you give us an update? And yeah, the Grove, we are building, we are going. The electrical has been inspected. All we have to do now is cover it back up, right? We've had 4 of our laborers out there, plus all the Yumps guys. They'll be digging, putting that in. So they're saying, okay, Randy, what's the timeline? Timeline, I can't tell you. We're full bore on. I'm thinking the roads will be in starting next week. Water line, then the roads. That'd be into the 1st of January. Give us a week or 2 there. I'm thinking we can get things going by the end of January. May even have homes in there before the end of January, okay? We've had nothing but rain for almost 2 weeks solid, but the guys worked straight through the rain. Even though they worked, it was still a slowdown. We have everything we need. We are not waiting on anything. We got transformers, materials, the sewers in, everything's great. We got trees to be planted, 400 pine trees. It's all sitting here, everybody. So, and we are not sitting still. Guys have worked all day. We had a full crew. They'll be here tomorrow. They'll be here Friday. Okay? All right. That's our update on the Grove. Thank you for watching. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. Thank you very much for watching.